how to unhide apps from home screen. So if your apps are hidden from your home screen on your Android, and if you want to fix that issue, then the first thing what you need to do is, like for example, if you have this kind of interface in which you have two apps at once, then it might show as a hidden app. So you just need to simply go with the application, tap and hold on to that, and then remove it out of the box, and that's it. Do the same thing again, and this might fix your problem. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is you need to open up your settings, scroll down, go with display, scroll down again, and here you may have home screen option. If you don't find it, then you'll have home screen option separately. Tap on home screens option. Under home screen, you may have hide apps, another kind of device, Android device, and if you don't have that option, then you just need to simply go with your search and search for hide apps, which is the easiest way, and tap on the hidden apps. So in some cases it might be under your security. Now here, for example, if you're not being able to find WhatsApp, then you may have turned on the option like this. After turning this on, now as you can see that if you go back and then search for WhatsApp, you won't find the WhatsApp application. It was right here. But if you go again and turn off and go back, and WhatsApp app will be right. So in this way, if your application is hidden, then you just need to simply go and toggle the option off from your hide apps, and it might fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.